Hello and welcome back to video 2 of 3. In this video, I will describe how to set up a secret for a hacker to get a hold of. This step needs to happen after the server has already been configured. So at this point, we have a web server that's been secured on TLS, and now we're going to make a secret file that the hacker has to try and get. What we need to do is make a encrypted file called secret.txt, as you can see here, in the context root of the web server. It has to be only accessible by the root user. We also have to put the checksum of the secret passphrase in another file in the same directory called secret.checksum, which we've abbreviated to secret.cksum here. These files will be used during the next video when we show people how to hack into it. There's a few steps to make these files, so I made a script. So in the script here, there is functions, but the main meat of the script lies in this code here. So the entire script automates the process and makes it easy to set up if you want to change the secret in the future. We begin by echoing the echoing out the secret string the user wants to encrypt. We pass that to OpenSSL. OpenSSL is like a cryptography toolbox. The first tool we're going to use in this toolbox is PKUTL, which stands for Private Key Utility. This is used to manipulate the private and public keys. We will use it to sign the user's secret string with the private key of the web server. Then we pipe that output again to OpenSSL, but then we use a different tool, the encode tool, which is ENC here, to encode the encrypted string into base64 representation. In base64, it will be easier for the hacker to spread/understand compared to binary. After that, we set the permissions, so only root can read it using chown and chmod, which is 600 here. And then we show some user information to the user about the new secret file we just made. Now we create the checksum file, which is a hash of the secret string. We can use this hash to compare against the user's guess, as we can see here. We set the permission so the web server can read this with chmod 644, and that's basically it. All right, now that we have a comprehensive understanding of what the script does, let's run it. So we're gonna run that with the command execute the CTS, and we're gonna name it super secret file. It is allowed to have spaces. So when we run this, it's gonna give us a whole lot of output. So let's talk through this output. So the bulk of what this output is showing us is that it's writing a secret. It writes the secret to secret.txt. It shows the file it made and the permissions, which we can see here is read and write, but only for root. As you can see, it's owned by root in the group root. After this, it displays the encryption in base64, as you can see here, and it shows the unique checksum, and it shows that the checksum is being written to the file we made secret.checksum, and it shows a unique checksum, which you can see here. So now we have a unique checksum and a secret flag that is encoded. The hacker will have access to this in the next video. This means the secret never exists on the file system unencrypted, but the checksum does, which means it can be used to confirm the user's guess. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.